Deleting unsubscribed contacts from Mailchimp helps maintain a clean email list and optimize your audience management. Here's a step-by-step guide to doing it. Log into Mailchimp. Visit Mailchimp's website and log into your account. Navigate to the Audience tab. Click on the Audience tab in the main dashboard. View all contacts. Select the audience from which you want to delete unsubscribed contacts. Click all contacts to view the full list of contacts. Filter unsubscribed contacts. Click on the Manage Contacts drop-down and select Segments. Click Create Segment. Set the segment conditions to Email Marketing Status is unsubscribed. Click Preview Segment to display the list of unsubscribed contacts. Select Unsubscribed Contacts. Check the box to select all contacts in the segment. If there are many, you may need to select all on each page or use the option to select all across multiple pages. Delete contacts. With unsubscribed contacts selected, click the Actions drop-down. Choose Permanently Delete from the options. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Review and confirm. Ensure you are deleting the correct contacts, as this action is irreversible. Confirm the deletion to remove the unsubscribed contacts from your audience.